we are proud to share our most recent 5-star review. Our company's staff works hard to go the extra mile, so these positive reviews are very motivating.
Highly recommended. Quality has done jobs for me for years. I wouldn't trust anyone else to do my yard work. Colton, Chris, Mike, and Alejandro did a beautiful job on my new landscaping in front of my house. Great company to work with.
So find out what makes our customers so happy and why they value our extensive knowledge and experience, and how we earn their glowing reviews. Find out how we can help you. Feel free to call us at the number on your screen. We're glad you had a chance to check us out today, and we're looking forward to chatting with you soon.